What's your mantra, Lauren, for managing time, talent, and commitment?
I think if anything, this past COVID year has really helped me see the world also through the eyes of what I was, perhaps the corporate warrior, and how fast, responding, reacting, time, pressing, deadlines, even trying to fit the kids' schooling in between the next Zoom meeting. And so I think probably that mantra would be, it's sort of been used somewhat before. There's a great book about it, of course, that everyone knows, but it is, sometimes you've got to go really slow and, just take it slow, step back, consider, wait for everyone to catch up, and then move forward, with purpose and engagement and the full knowledge of clarity and, behind you or with you or standing next to you or in front of you. So I think it's just that balance of the pace at which we think and operate, and expecting things to happen, immediately.
Correct.
Time is finite, right? So it's, we can't manage time, as we know, but it's what we choose and where we focus our energies in that time that is most important.
Correctly. How has your experience been because you must have certainly worked across different cultures, and how do different cultures react to this time, commitment, talent, and all of that, Lauren?
Yeah. Yes, interesting. Certainly some of the work, the teams that I've worked with, be they in Russia, working, with a pharmaceutical organization and leader over there. I think there's something universal, though, in some sense, that we, just at the heart of who we all are some core values and motives and needs that we all have. Correct. To be respected and to be honored. And yes, they may play out differently, whether it's in a Russia culture or whether it's in Southeast Asia, whether it's in Korea, Japan, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, and the rest of the world, India and South America too. So I do think it's, if we just, we understand the nuances and the subtleties and of course within various cultures, but ultimately, we can all take time to just step back, slow down, consider, make sure everyone's on board, and then move ahead with purpose and at the speed that we need to. Not everything's urgent, and correct. I've been doing a lot of prioritization work with leaders over this last year, and because everything just seems important and urgent. Correct. Business or talent, but actually there's a way to draw the lines.
Correct. Beautiful.